Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Samsung how to hide apps. So to do that, let's head over to our Samsung, in our Samsung apps. So as you can see, once I head over to my apps, there is a search bar on the top and there is a three dots icon. I'm going to tap on the three dots icon, go to settings. And if I scroll down, I can see the option of hide apps on home and app screens. So I'm heading over there. Now I can see the apps that I can hide. So I'm just going over to this bounce tails. Once I select it, as you can see, it is the hidden apps. Tap on done. If I go back, as you can see, the bounce tails is not in here anymore. So if you want to navigate to your apps, what you need to do is tap on the three dots, go to settings, go to hide apps and app screens, and here you can find your hidden apps. So if you want to unhide it again, just tap on the minus again. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.